Hi guys, welcome back to Chrissy Paleo. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you stopped by. I got some really fun stuff for you guys today. We have a free paleo guide and a free paleo dessert recipes. Now, that's not all. There's a little surprise at the end here. It's going to be short and sweet, or at least I have the intention of making it short and sweet, but that never happens. We all know that. After all, my main goal here is just to inspire, motivate, and tell you about two free items that will help get you on your paleo journey and keep you there. If you look hard enough, you can find some pretty awesome stuff for free, trust me. So, one of these items, it's a paleo beginner's guide. It's absolutely free and it will become a staple in your journey. So, get it. Yesterday, get it. The other is a free paleo dessert recipes book. I believe there's probably about 70 or so recipes in there, and they're all desserts. Trust me when I tell you, you will want to have these dessert recipes on hand. You will. Will. I cannot stress that enough. If there was one thing that really made me want to give up on paleo, it was the lack of sweets. So make sure you have it. I included the links for both of these free items in the description, okay? So moving on here. I wanted to share some before and after photos with you guys because, and I've mentioned this before, when I began paleo, it was really hard to find before and after photos for women over 40. So I tried to make it a point to make my own as I was going along. So I hope these will inspire you and motivate you because you can do it. So enjoy. I hope you enjoyed that little photo session going on there. So go ahead and get those links in the description. You really have nothing to lose but wait. They're absolutely free. And I really do hope you guys have a super day. Take care. Bye-bye.